Hello traders. In this video, we'll be talking about the Bart Simpson trading pattern. This price formation, named for its resemblance to Bart Simpson's head, features a rounded top, a sharp drop, and a rapid recovery, and is often linked to sudden manipulation or news-driven moves. At this point, I'll load up an image example so you can see how it looks on the charts. Alright, there we have it. As you can see, the Bart Simpson pattern shows a form of consolidation followed by a sharp vertical upward move, another consolidation phase, and then a sharp decline or a vertical drop down, and then a continued consolidation. The initial spike usually reflects aggressive buying or an engineered buying, while the subsequent drop reflects panic selling and the sentiment shift. On the chart, this pattern warns that the initial spike may have been overdone or driven by short-term forces, and that the market is quickly repricing in the opposite direction. Okay, because it forms over a short time frame, often hours to a few days, it is particularly watched in more volatile markets like crypto and fast forex sessions. As for the core elements in the strategy, or the pattern rather, core elements are the three stages: the initial consolidation, a sudden sharp spike, and then an equally sharp decline that often returns or exceeds the previous low. It is tied to market manipulation, sudden sell-offs, stop-loss hunting, accumulation, and reversals, and influential news events that trigger overreactions followed by corrections. Traders can approach it with short strategies during or shortly after the initial spike, or long strategies aimed at the recovery phase, always using clear entries, stops, profit targets, and confirmation from indicators of volume. As for who is for, the Bart Simpson pattern is for traders comfortable with pattern recognition, short-term trading, and rapid decision-making in volatile conditions. It is not guaranteed, can produce false signals, and may itself be the result of manipulation. It is important to use technical and fundamental confirmation, strict risk management, and post-trade analysis to avoid over-relying on the pattern alone. To learn more, link is in the description below. You can read the full Bart Simpson pattern article, including courses, step-by-step strategies, pros and cons, and risk management guidance at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.